Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Specter Roblox. First, grasp the core objective. You're either a terrifying ghost or a brave investigator. Each role offers distinct abilities and gameplay. Familiarize yourself with the basic controls for movement, interacting with objects, and using your special skills. This foundation will help you dive into the game with confidence and start your paranormal adventure. As a ghost, your main goal is to terrify investigators. Utilize your unique haunting abilities to lower their sanity and make them vulnerable. Master the art of stealth, hiding in plain sight or within objects to avoid detection and traps. Collecting souls scattered around the map will empower you, unlocking new, more potent skills to enhance your ghostly reign. Be cunning and strategic. If you're finding this guide helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation. After a long session of hunting ghosts or scaring investigators, you'll need a good meal. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. Check the description below for the link to these containers and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Playing as an investigator requires keen observation and teamwork. Deploy your specialized equipment, like EMF readers and cameras, to track and eventually trap the elusive ghost. Collaboration with your teammates is crucial to identify the entity's type and successfully perform the banishing ritual. Always monitor your sanity level. Letting it drop too low can make you an easy target for the ghost. Stay alert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.